Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about filter method of JavaScript array. So let's say we have array of numbers 20, 15, 7, 8, 13, 12, 9. And we want to filter this array and we only want those numbers in a resultant array which contains number greater than 10. So what will be our resultant array? So it will contain 20, 15, 13, 12. So if we filter the numbers array, and what is our condition? To filter those numbers which are greater than 10. So our resultant array will be 20, 15, 13, 12. So let's see, to achieve this result how we can use a filter function. So we'll write array dot filter. So first we understand how does filter function work. So filter function accept function as an argument and it passes every element of an array to that particular callback function. Now that callback function will check if that particular number is following that particular condition or not. If it is following the condition, so it will return true to the filter function. If it is not, then it will return false. So based on what it is returning, filter function, if it is returning true, so filter function put that particular element in a final array. If it is returning false, so filter function is omitting that particular value. So let's see how we can write a callback function. So we will write function number. So in this, what we discussed, that this function will return whether that particular number is specifying or following that particular condition. So what is our condition now? That our number should be greater than or equal to 10. So here we will return number is greater than equal to 10. Now this filter function will return a filtered array. So we will write a particular variable which will receive the result array. And if we print this resultant array, as we run this, so you see that we have got the filtered array which contains only those numbers who are greater than 10. So let's take one more example to practice the filter method. So we will be using the same array, but now what we want in a result, we want only those elements in a result, those are odd. So let's write function get odd numbers which will accept array. And now what we need to do, we need to filter this array. So we will write numbers dot filter, where we will write callback function. Now what is our condition? Our condition is to check that particular number is odd or not. So to check a particular number is odd or not, so we will use a modulus operator. So modulus operator will give us a remainder. And if we divide a particular number by 2, if our remainder is 0, so that number is even. If our remainder is not 0, our number is odd. So what we need to write is return number modulus by 2. So as we want odd number, so it should not be equal to 0. So this callback function will tell filter function that particular number is odd or not, and we get resultant array which will contain only odd number. So let's write result variable, and what we'll need to do next, we'll need to return the result. So let's run this function. So we will call this function get odd number and pass array. So as you see, the result only contains those numbers who are odd, 15, 7, 13, 9, and it will not contain those numbers who are even, 20, 12, and 8. So hoping now you will not face any issue while using filter function. Thanks for watching.